If you want to record slow motion video on Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, what you can do is you can open the camera app. Then in here, where we have all of these different camera modes, you should be able to swipe up to reveal more camera modes that we have available on our smartphone. And then you should be able to find the slow motion mode, so we can just select it. And there we go, you can immediately start recording your slow motion video if you want to, but also before you do that, you can choose your resolution, which in this case, in the case of Xiaomi 17T, we have 720p and 1080p. I believe that in the case of 17T Pro, we also have the 4K resolution available. So let's take a look. Yeah, indeed, we do have 4K with 120 frames per second. And in the case of 17T, we can record, for example, with 120, 240, and 960 frames per second if you use the full HD resolution. So just tap on the recording button, you can record your slow motion video and just stop at any point. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.